So, what do the holidays mean to you?
Family and being around loved ones and food and stuff.
Nice. Holidays, what does it mean to you?
They're cool. They're cool, you know. You get good stuff. Thanksgiving, you get good food.
Nice, nice.
Hi guys, today we're going to be teaching you how to make a hot cocoa recipe made by yours truly. You don't know me, it's okay. So we've already heated up the milk and we're going to take 2 tablespoons of hot cocoa mix. And we're going to put it in our warm milk. And then Beth over here is going to be adding a spoonful of caramel to that. Nice spoon, thank you. Yep, just a spoonful. Thank you. And then we're gonna mix it. We're adding the caramel into the already warm milk so it can dissolve better because last time I did it, it didn't really go that well. But it's okay, you didn't know that. Well now you do. We're going to now put it back into the microwave. And now we put our now mixed hot cocoa into the microwave for 30 seconds. Hot cocoa mix is out of the microwave. You're going to want to re-stir it and add a 1/4 teaspoon of powdered sugar. I'll just keep mixing it. Oh, there you go. And we will now be transferring this to a proper drinking mug. Oh, that's me. Add the salt. Thank you. The reason why we're adding salt is because it's a salted caramel. By the way, we're not just trying to make your drink taste so savory. Right, there's a little left over from you ladies want that. Destiny, whipped cream. Cream her. Good enough. Do you know what you're, never mind. And now we add a drizzle for a finishing touch. Well, well, it's close enough, guys. It's close enough. Thank you so much. Happy holidays. Well, I was gonna say cheers. So cheers, happy holidays.
Whichever ones you enjoy celebrating.
I like Halloween because of candy. I like Thanksgiving.
This is Halloween. This is a grown man.
I like Thanksgiving for the candy yams. I like Christmas.
Hey guys, we're showing y'all our cinnamon spice hot chocolate. We'll start with a warm cup of milk and then we'll add 1.5 tablespoons of hot cocoa. You'll mix that together and then once it's mixed all the way, we're gonna add in some cinnamon, allspice, and freshly ground nutmeg. And now we're gonna add whipped cream. Feel free to use Cool Whip or mix them yourself. We made ours. And then for the final touch, we'll add cinnamon to the top. Happy holidays!
The holidays, well, family and like coming together and like lots of tradition.
Nice.
Because like every year we go to my mom's house on Christmas Eve. We have Christmas dinner, go to church, come home, do presents, and it's a wonderful thing that we do. I love it. And then
Well, hold up. How about you, Joe?
Yeah.
For me, it's like, you know, a lot of tradition. Every year, I go down to Rutherford, Pennsylvania, so a lot of tradition, family.
Nice. That's awesome.
Welcome to our s'mores hot chocolate video. The first step that you want to do is pour your hot milk into your mug. Then you want to pour your hot cocoa mix in there and stir.
After you stir it, you're going to want to take a spoon and with your whipped cream or your brown sugar cold foam, whatever you want, you will lay it on the top.
Next, you're going to get all your toppings. We have our marshmallow, our chocolate chips, our crushed graham cracker, and our brown sugar.
you can use a blowtorch or you can use your boiler at home.
The first step to putting on all our toppings to put our marshmallows on top of the cold foam.
Next, you're gonna want to sprinkle some of your chocolate chips. Oop. Then you'll do.
Then you'll put your graham cracker dust on it.
And last but not least, your brown sugar.
Holidays.
Gonna enjoy some good food? You're gonna be baking up some food?
Yes, actually, we're making brownies.
Nice. Very good. Thank you. Trey, what's the holidays mean to you?
A lot. I get to see most of my family because I only really see some of my family each year. Like I get to see my uncle a lot when the holidays come.
Nice.
And I mean, obviously the food. Who couldn't love the food?
Exactly.
This is the cocoa powder, and when I put it inside, it starts to move it.
It would be better for you to mix the cinnamon with a little bit of water. Make a paste.
Peppermint extract, we put a little bit inside.
Then you get the whipped cream and you put it inside like this. Alright, so to end it off, I'm gonna put some the peppermint sprinkles on top. Alright, happy holidays. Happy holidays.
The holidays to me, it means spending time with your loved ones, making new memories,
Nice.
family, joy, you know.
So first you're going to put in some hot milk.
And then you're going to mix together the cocoa powder and then some peppermint. Mix it together. Next, you want to add some of the cold milk so you can have a little hot, a little cold to your liking. And then you're going to mix that together as well.
And then you're going to add some red whipped cream. We put red food coloring in the whipped cream to give it a nice vibrant color.
Peppermint sprinkles.
Peppermint dust. Happy holidays!
Means I get to eat more.
Eat more. Nice. Yeah, yeah.
If I don't get to eat, I'm probably gonna die.
How about for you, James?
Food.
Food?
Food and friends.
Lots of good food and friends?
Food, friends, and family.
Nice.
The first thing you want to do is pour your hot milk into the glass. Pour a little too much.
Oh, we're on now.
And last but not least,
For what?